Hi guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you're having a great day. So I'm excited today. I'll be sharing some of the new paper collection kits from Fancy Pants Designs. There are 4 new collections out and they're all really cute. Also, there is a 30% off sale on the website right now on all the collection kits, which is a really great sale. And in addition to that, you can use my discount code. So it is Sweets09, and you can save an additional 10% off of the sale price. So I think that's a really good sale. So first up, I'm going to be sharing the Enchanted Garden collection kit. So this is just a quick little look at all of the paper designs, and each of the collection kits comes with 12 by 12 double-sided paper, and it's cardstock, a really nice thickness. You get 2 each of 6 designs, and then you also get a 12 by 12 sticker sheet that has 54 images on it. So just the collection kit alone is just it's just really cute. So let me see. I think I got this a little crooked. So the thing I like about this paper collection right away was that some of these images are bigger, so they're perfect for fussy cutting. If you like to fussy cut, or you need like a bigger focal image on your scrapbook page or cards. So this is one here, and here is the back side. Really cute. You get 2 sheets of that. And then we've got this here with really pretty leaves. And here's the back. So I could see fussy cutting those leaves too. Here's this one here. And I'm loving the dark background on some of these because I think it would be nice to do some Halloween projects with this collection as well, even though it's geared more towards fall. So I'm loving the dark background, the black and these. So how pretty is this? So there's that one. And here's the back. And then there's this. And this one here. Very fall. And then look at these cute little images. These are smaller, but they can also be, you know, fussy cut, I think. The little gnomes are so cute. Candles, books, and the little mushrooms. So really, really cute images in this collection. So here is the sticker sheet. And I'll just kind of go around so you can see the stickers. And a lot of these images can also be found in the ephemera packs. So I'll do a quick share of the ephemera packs. And okay, so first off here is the foam stickers. And you can see there, they come in like a dark green color. And here is the first of the ephemera packs. It comes with 69 pieces, so you get a lot of the ephemera pieces. So here they are. I will take a few out to share with you, but there are a ton of really cute ephemera pieces. So you've got some of these little, these are like longer little banners here, and some of the little mushrooms. So I'm not sure I'm going to go through every single one, but you can get the idea. You've got some little ephemera pieces here. Here's a larger mushroom. So cute. And here are a few more. And this one I think has like different little plants and flowers, like as if they're hanging to dry. So how pretty. So loving all the foliage, flowers, leaves. There's a cute little ladder. And here's a larger little mushroom house. So cute. Kind of reminds me of fairies. These pieces. Welcome. Home is where your heart is. And here's all the several of the cute little gnomes. And they're kind of in order because I already was kind of looking through the ephemera pack, trying to see all the cute little shapes. So you've got some full-size gnomes here, and then some little gnome heads, which kind of look like Santa, some of these. Or Christmassy. So there's these, super cute. Some of these little pumpkin houses. And gourds, pumpkins. So lots of cute fall fall cut aparts. And these, I love these. Like the little cups, candles, lanterns, and books. So I love these. These are so cute. So that's one of the ephemera kits. And then this one has 61 pieces. Again, I'll just kind of go through the image there. Hopefully you can see those. So these are more flowers and foliage, acorns, and that kind of thing. So again, I don't know that I'm going to go through all of these, but you get the idea. Some flowers, a tree trunk there, but this one is just very much just flowers, little feather, different little plants that you could find in your gardens. Cute little flowers there, some mushrooms. So these, there are so many. I mean, there's just a lot. So you get the idea. I love these too. These with the little flower focal points and like little leaves and things shooting out. So cute for layering. So you get quite a bit of these. This one's so pretty. I love the pink. And then some that are just a little bit bigger. So super cute. I can see these on like a wreath. I'm thinking a banner. Just so cute. Okay, so these are all of the other ephemera pieces there. And then there is also enamel stickers, which I love. I think they're so cute. So perfectly matching colors for this collection. So that is the Enchanted Garden paper collection. And I hope you enjoyed the little share. Let me know if you'd like me to go slower and share more of the die cuts. There is a lot to share, so I don't know if you prefer me to kind of do a quick share on the die cuts just so you can get an idea of the sizes, or if you like, to actually see almost all of the die cuts. So let me know, and again, I'll link everything in the description box below as far as the website, the sale, and my additional discount code. So that's it, guys. So I hope you liked the share, and thank you for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.